Distinguished colleagues, the Senate in the Committee of the Whole considered the report of the Joint Committee on Petroleum Downstream, Petroleum Upstream and Gas on the Petroleum Industry Bill 2021 and approved as follows. Long title as recommended, clauses 1 to 31 as recommended, clauses 32 to 33 as amended, clauses 34 to 47 as recommended, clause 48 as amended, clauses 49 to 51 as recommended, clause 52 as amended, clauses 53 to 63 as recommended, clause 64 as amended, clauses 65 to 103 as recommended, clause 104 as amended, clauses as recommended, short title as recommended, schedule 1 as amended, schedules 2 to 8 as recommended. Is this a true reflection of what transpired in the Committee of the Whole? Thank you. Leader of the Senate.
President, I rise to move a motion that...
Thank you, Mr. President. My name is Engineer Baribe. I represent Abia South. I rise to second the motion that the Petroleum Industry Bill be read a third time. I so second.
Distinguished colleagues, those in favor that this bill be now read the third time, say aye. Those against, say nay. The ayes have it. Clerk of the Senate.
Mr. President, distinguished senators, a bill for an act to provide for legal 110 third reading.
A bill for an act to provide legal governance, regulatory and fiscal framework for the Nigerian petroleum industry, the development of host communities and for related matters 2021 third reading taken, and the bill is passed. Well, distinguished colleagues, let me thank all of us for this tremendous and historical achievement of passing the long-awaited petroleum industry bill. Let me also particularly commend our joint committee, the leadership, Senator Sabo Nakuru, Senator Albert Basi Akpan, Senator James Ibo Manager, for giving leadership to the committee membership to work so hard with zeal and patriotism to get the report to this Senate. I must commend the leadership of the House of Representatives too for providing leadership in the House to ensure that our two committees, the joint committees in the Senate and the House, work together to produce the report that we have just passed. Let me say that the 9th Senate, and indeed the 9th National Assembly, has achieved one of its fundamental acts that have then so far at that time defied passage or defied assent. At least the demons have been defeated in this chamber. We have passed the bill by the grace of God. And let me also say that this is one of the products of the executive and the legislature working together. Right from the inception of this bill with our joint committee, and indeed today, to cap it all, we invited the team to come here and give us more information, education and enlightenment to enable us undertake this very important and historic assignment. If anybody doubts how executive legislature partnership, consultation, and mutual respect can help a nation grow, this event of passing this bill must convince that person. Finally, I want to assure the petroleum industry in Nigeria that what we have passed is a very good balance of giving them the kind of clement environment for them to not only stay here, but even bring more foreign investors into the oil and gas industry in Nigeria. This environment, with the passage of this bill, has become better, is going to be more competitive and rewarding to businesses. As for what we are expecting from the executive side of government is, we are expecting a presidential signature. We are expecting Mr. President to sign into law this petrol industry bill that the Senate and of course the House have passed. This is one product that is not a solo effort product. It's a product of cooperation and partnership between the legislature, the National Assembly, and the executive arm of government. So we shouldn't waste any more time. As soon as it gets to the villa, to Mr. President, we expect that this bill...
No, you adjourn. You adjourn.
Oh, sorry. I don't need the leader anymore. Okay, for now, I don't need the leader. Thank God it's not the chief whip that I said I don't need. Distinguished colleagues, with those remarks, the Senate is hereby adjourned. Is it 6? It's 6. The Senate is hereby adjourned till 6 July 2021 at 10 a.m. prompt. Thank you.